Hi everyone! Welcome back to finally, another episode of the Origami Design Series. Welcome to episode... Wait, which one are we on again? 5. Okay, welcome to episode 5 of the Origami Design Series. Today we'll be talking about the magic shape and how magical it really is. That sounded so dumb. Alright, so the magical shape is... it's actually just this. And I know it doesn't look like much, but you'll see where I'm going with this. This shape is magical because you can find it everywhere, and by everywhere I mean all the traditional bases in origami. If we look at all the traditional bases, you can see at least one of these shapes in every base, increasing exponentially as you move left. Kite base has 2, fish base has 4, and so on. This goes back to the idea of tiling in the last episode where you can put little bits together to form a crease pattern. In this one, you have a little bit more freedom where you can work with smaller segments of a base and then put them together to form a crease pattern. So if we use our husky in a sleeping bag example, again, we can see that this crease pattern has 36 of these shapes. That's pretty crazy, but once you become familiar with the shape, then you start seeing it everywhere. And the more we see these patterns in other models, the more we can start putting them in our models. So yeah, go ahead, try that out, and yeah, that's basically the video. I hope you enjoyed this short but sweet video, hopefully. And yeah, as always, have fun folding.